Hi there, this video is to explain to you how to use my medical expense tracker. So if you are getting ready for tax season, sometimes your medical expenses can be deducted. And then sometimes you want to keep track of everything. Sometimes you want to keep track of um, how much have you spent on your HSA or your FSA and how much do you have left. This will kind of help you keep track of everything just in one place. So what we'll do here is we're going to start at the beginning, and I'm going to delete this out for you. So this is just numbered out here. And this is your date. If you are in Google Sheets, you can double click and it will show you the date. You can just choose it. The type, so we'll just say that we picked up a prescription. We went to the pharmacy. And then this is, my iMeds. And then say I spent $50 on it. So that will keep track of it for you. This will add up everything for you. So that's how that works. If you want to delete everything, you would just highlight the whole thing. You're just going to click and drag and then hit the delete button. And then now you have a blank tracker. So that's how that works. And then the README tab. So if you start here, you kind of have to click over here to get to the README tab. This will have the link to your YouTube video as soon as I'm done with this. So let me know if you have any questions, but have a great day. Oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you. You can print this out. So you go to just File, Print. And then you want to make sure it says portrait and the scale is fit to width. If you did to normal, it would be a little bit big. And then so you could just do portrait scale fit to width and it would print out everything nicely for you. It does have a lot of pages, so you would just go to next and then make sure to just print out what page you want. So just do custom and then just do one, and that would just print out whatever page you have. That would be great to, take to your accountant or anything like that. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope you have a great day. Oh, and if you need me, find me at savvyandthriving.com. I have tons of other spreadsheets. I also have a tax deduction planner bundle that has all sorts of things like a tax prep checklist, a mileage tracker, a tax deduction tracker, all sorts of things. So feel free to find that also in the notes or in the comments. I think it's a description on YouTube. Thanks again. Have a great day.